What you're really asking me, was I pimping property? That's really the subtext of the question. And the answer is no.
Okay.
Since 1991, I haven't invested a single client cent into an Irish asset, right? Because of the need to diversify. When it comes to property, and you'll see it in my book Loot, right? I have quite specific guidelines on dealing with overseas property.
Okay.
And I drew at the time, 2006 or so, I drew a distinction, for example, between picking good locations and locations that didn't make sense. And I compared Bulgaria to Cape Verde, right? And it was as if I had announced an alien invasion. Like, where's Cape Verde? After that, I was asked to speak at a number of events, which I did, by Cape Verde Development Company. And I reiterated the point: do not invest in this area unless you have cash only, and do not borrow to do it. And there is no rental market. I couldn't be clearer. Now, people read my books and it's all there. And if they use that information, they go on and make the decisions. I'm not responsible for those decisions, you know, adults are, right? Now, if the gold price then moves several years later, it's not my responsibility to try and batter down the doors of RT, say, listen, could I do an announcement on the news at 6 that now is the time to sell gold? I was giving that advice to my clients in February 2013, and so it goes on. Now, I have made mistakes. I've been 36 years in business, and I have made errors of judgment. There's no doubt about it. But I think the things that I've done correctly overweigh the things that I've got wrong. So, but I'll be the first to admit that I'm human. But at the end of the day, it's irrelevant. Because at the end of the day, it's not about me. If I thought that I was causing any liability to the development of this movement, I'd go in the morning, right? But if it helps people to believe that you know, that a party shouldn't be started like somebody like me, then they shouldn't vote for it. They should vote for something else. But bear in mind that there's huge numbers of people behind this, not just me, hundreds of people, and that will reveal itself over the next while, and I will become less important. But at the moment, I'm a target. I accept that.
Yeah, okay.
You know, I expected to be tarred and feathered and nailed to the bed and breakfast sign at the crossroads with a sign around my neck saying "Debt to Reformers." I expected that, and that's what's happening.
Okay.